Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. What I happen to have here is a 1967 426 Hemi engine. Motor's gorgeous. We only pulled it to about 4,500, made about 300 horse at 4,500. It's got a flat tappet cam, broke it in, and I don't want to be the one beating it up on the guy. We ran it with fuel injection. He's going to put carburetor and a regular distributor in the motor. But for now, easy run. I wanted to put fuel injection on it. I know it was reliable to fire up with it instead of running some old carburetor on here and an old distributor. But I custom painted it Hemi Orange. It came out really fantastic. It's beautiful, fires right up, runs nice, and that's what I was more concerned with. Hey, anybody interested in any of our engines, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Oh, and we're running a Christmas special right now. So again, there's a couple engines Stevie's got online. You want to check them out? Give us a call. Peace.